Hello everyone. Today we're comparing Google and DuckDuckGo and why I personally do not use Google directly. I am not paid by any company, nor do I have any endorsement deals, but I want as many people as possible to stop giving Google their data, and if this video contributes a bit, then it's worth it. If you use any other privacy-friendly web search engine, that's obviously also fine by me. First, let's look at various ways how Google invades your privacy and what DuckDuckGo does better. So Google and DuckDuckGo approach user privacy differently, obviously, and each has its own set of practices and features. So first, the data collection and the extensive tracking Google does. So Google collects a vast amount of user data, as you should be aware of, including search history, location data, browsing habits, and interactions across various services. For example, Gmail, YouTube, and so on. Next, Google uses personalized ads, and they target, so you use ad targeting. Google uses the collected data to personalize ads. Advertisers can target users based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior. If you want to know how this works, I will link my video on ad tracking or cross-site domain tracking in the description of this video. Next, Google account integration. And if you have a smartphone operated by Android, then you will have a Google account. And if you have a Google account and you use it online and you are signed in to your Google account, your activities are also tied to your account. And this doesn't only involve like your search history, of course, but also what you do on YouTube, also where you are, your locations on your phone and on your desktop PC, for example, on your laptop, wherever you're logged in, obviously. But what is actually something you can do is don't use your Google account when you are using Google, which again is not really possible on your phone, but if you're on your desktop computer or your laptop, you can just go into incognito or private mode of a certain browser. And as soon as you go incognito, you will not be automatically logged in because cookies are not loaded. So this is actually one of the rare instances where incognito mode is actually good, but you can also use DuckDuckGo, as we see later. And first, let's do it. Let's look at some advantages DuckDuckGo has. So first of all, there's no personalized tracking. So DuckDuckGo doesn't store any or doesn't track any user's personal information, search history, or IP addresses. Searches are not tied to individual users. There are no personalized ads, so you have ad privacy. So DuckDuckGo doesn't show personalized ads. It does show ads. I'm going to come back to that, but the ads are not personalized, and so they're not based on your behavior. So ads are contextual by your search and not influenced by individual user profiles. Next, something I use extensively, bangs for external searches. The bangs feature allows users to search on other sites directly, and DuckDuckGo acts as an intermediary without sharing any personal information. So it's like a proxy between you and, for example, Google. So this is something I personally use quite a bit because I know why so many people use Google. It is the best search engine. The results on Google are better than those on DuckDuckGo. I'm not denying that. But you can use bang or just !G if you don't find DuckDuckGo's results satisfactory and you want to use Google. You can also use !W for searching directly on Wikipedia and B for Bing if you for any reason want to do that. But this is how DuckDuckGo basically functions as an intermediary, as a proxy between you and Google. So Google doesn't have your information. However, of course, this falls flat if you're logged into your account. So you should still use, for example, in incognito mode. Then you can go to DuckDuckGo, make bang G or !G, and then you will not be logged in and you will not have a tracked or a user-tracked search results by Google. Finally, transparent practices. So DuckDuckGo is open source. It's built on open source technologies, and the company is transparent about its privacy practices. And the code base is available for public review. So you don't have to take my word for it. You can review it yourselves if you want. So you might now wonder, how does DuckDuckGo actually make money without selling your data? So DuckDuckGo makes money by affiliate links, search advertising, and sponsored search links. However, none of these are personalized to you, meaning your privacy is protected. It just means you have to watch out for ads in search results, which are marked by the word ad. But this is the same way it works with Google, where you also have usually ads at the top of your search results. So to summarize, Google's business model relies on targeted advertising. This is how they make money. And it extensively collects and utilizes user data to provide personalized services and ads. So why is this a problem? I will link a video to a book review I've done on the age of surveillance capitalism, which if you don't think or don't know yet why this is a problem, then I encourage you to watch the video, and if it sparks your interest, also read the book. Giving Google so much data is really, really a problem in terms of our civil liberties even. That's why I use DuckDuckGo, and DuckDuckGo prioritizes user privacy by not storing personal information, avoiding personalized tracking, and offering features like this bang searches and so on. DuckDuckGo markets itself as privacy friendly, and it provides a privacy focused alternative for users who want to minimize data collection, such as myself, and hopefully you. So that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next.